Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to switch the order of slides in your Canva project using your iPhone. So for example, in this presentation project, you have to click on this 4 square icon. And then you can see every slides and the sequence, the order of that. From the first slide to the 12 slides to the last slide like this. And if I want to, for example, this thank you slide should be on the last, and you have to arrange the sequence of the slide there. You will have to press and hold on the thank you slide and drag it to the last slide like this. So I'm going to first press and hold like this, and then drag it to the 12 slides and release. And now the thank you slide is in the last slide. And you can do the same thing to another slide if you want to arrange or reorder the sequence of the slides in your Canva project. For example, this 7th slide, you want to move it to the 10th slide like this. You can do it by press and hold and then drag it to the desired place. So that's how you rearrange the sequence of the slide or reorder the slides in your Canva project. Thank you guys for watching.